audio. In audio.
Say bye.
Bye.
Sama ka?
Tabog nga agawit na tawa ka.
Halika na.
In audio.
Alis na kami. Bye-bye.
May mga payong dito ha.
See you later. Ay, saan ka punta?
In
Where you
audio.
going?
We're going guys.
Where you going, Miguel?
Ayun daw. Excited na yung isa.
Vlogger. Hello mga kaibigan. Ngayon, mag-vlog na naman tayo. Ngayon lang tayo nakalabas at magpipiknik tayo. Outside the city, mga isang oras or 45 minutes away. Tayo mag-outing with the kids. Picnic. At hindi lang yan. Pupunta natin ang Madeline Lake. Nadaanan natin ay ang Graham Trail. Ang takbo ng sakyan natin dito will be like more like 80 kilometers per hour. So, medyo bako-bako. May mga roads construction but okay naman.
In audio. In audio. In audio. In audio. In audio. In audio. In audio.
Dao.
Milya ng mga ginagastos nila dito. Paulit-ulit nilang nire-repair.
Dito yan. Pupunta natin. Waikiki River. Yung tayo tila ate Donna nun no?
Something failed yan? Bob? Bob? Bob?
Ano sabi ni Miguel?
Go more, Miguel? Walk more.
Hindi ko maabot. Abot mo nga dali.
Sa side mo lang kasi. Ako kasi nag-driver eh. Drink your water, Biggie.
In audio. In audio.
nandito na tayo sa Madeline Lake, guys. We're at Madeline Lake, guys. Hi, Gian.
In audio.
Please, let's go. There's none. They're not like mosquitoes. They're just buggy. They're just gonna follow you.
In audio.
Not there. Here. Psst. Bart. Say hi. Yay! Ooh, mosquito. Go get your mosquito. Go get mosquito. I think it's in your bag. That blue bag. Hindi mo school mo. Here. Bilisan mo. Malalamutin na tayong dalawa. Oh. Come. Close the door. Hands. Other way. Face. Close your mouth. Close your eyes. Let's go, come on. What do you think in this place? Good. Yeah? Where are we? Yeah. Here's the house. Huh? That's how it works, buddy. Yeah? View.
In audio. In audio.
And then you will eat.
First time in a long time. Ilang taon, Mele, bago tayo bumalik dito. The last time was we were here for baby Gian 2021 bago ako ma-aksidente. Pero may upan mo, girl. Ay, wait. Bago ako ma-aksidente, dito kami nun. Tagal din yun, ha? Tagal din yun, guys. Tagal din yun. It's been a while, buddies.
Never went here. I didn't know.
You were a baby. Well, picnic lang. Picnic ito. Ito ang libangan sa amin. We are just in a picnic place somewhere. An hour away from city. Jack and Jill! Baka naman.
Diyan. Baka na yung small
Jack
na
and Jill! Baka naman. Sprayan mo siya. Oh.
spray na dyan.
Muskol! Baka naman din, oh. Please!
Hello.
Say hello ka.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, vlog.
Hi.
Halika dito.
Pwede. Gusto mo?
Saka maayawag sa damit. That's for the skin.
What? Kaya ka na-answer. Ha?
Palipat tayo ng drone mamaya, makikita niyo yung buong lake.
Look,
Dito na.
See us vlogging the lake. Where's my phone? Sorry.
Hello. Are you ready? Hello. Lay.
Natulamok din.
They're getting the pilatos also.
Ang gugulo.
I'm trying
Say hi.
to face it.
See, we can fly the drone here. Tara, magkano tayo. Lipat tayo ng drone, guys. Maya, dito ka tayo. Buka muna dyan. You ready, guys? You say hi. Up. Going up.
Yan, yung mga lamok.
You ready? Ready?
Yan, you say hi. Halika
20
dito.
meters, please.
Yan.
Yan na. Going up. Come on. Hello. Just say hi. Straight up. Ganda na.
Sige, yun nga.
Di ba? Wala. It's a smart, it's a smart drone yun.
Collision detected. Aircraft landing automatically.
Okay. Ba? Talino. Drone naman tayo, guys.
Ako na si Miguel doon, Daddy.
Droney.
What if you can?
There. Ready, mommy. Guys, sit down here. Ready?
20 meters. Droney. 3, 2, 1.
Later.
Later, alligator.
Mahulog yun, De.
See you later. See you later.
Hi, ka, hi. Hi ka, Gian. Hi. Si ate niya ay
Coming
kuma.
back.
Paano siya bumabalik?
Talino to. Pag circle naman, ganun siya. Circle.
Ay, may ganyan.
Selfie shot. Follow. Rocket. Circle. Droney. Selfie shot. Follow. Rocket.
Wala siyang option na, ano? Yung helix niya.
Droney. Selfie shot.
Tayin ko muna, check natin na matagal.
Ano ba yan? Dami na nang kumakagat sa akin. Ian, you walk! Walk! You have to walk.
Why?
Because they will follow you.
Come on, let's go to the trail quick here. Let's use drone.
Bye.
Ano masasabi mo? Girl.
Inaudio.
Tara. Masasabi mo?
Na marami pong lamok dito.
Ang daming lamok dito. Ang ganda ng lugar, no? Minsan.
Inaudio.
Yung nature lang ba? No. Pero ito talagang nature, oh. Canada to. Pero nature talaga. Pure. Right, yan? It's pure nature. We don't see any buildings, nothing, no shopping malls. Just us. Just us. Yeah. Cars.
Bye.
Ichiban.
Mosquito.
Mosquito.
Inaudio.
Hindi tayo nagdala ng barbecue kasi ayaw ko mag-barbecue ngayon, guys. Tatamad ako magluto. More likely, ano lang.
And also Pepsi.
Pepsi lang, guys. Pepsi. Right, yan? Pepsi. Yeah. Tingnan natin maliit kasi Miguel is sleeping. The little boy is nap time na. Nap time na.
Inaudio.
Nap time na si boss.
Inaudio.
What do you think? You like it? You like outdoor? No TV, nothing?
Cellphone.
No cell phone? Right?
Cry.
No crying?
Just leaves.
Ikaw nga eh. No cellphone, no YouTube, no Facebook,
Crying baby.
Inaudio.
Just vlogging.
just vlogging, yeah. So, yeah, first time namin lumabas, guys. Yan ang Madeline. Madeline Lake. Vlog natin yung Madeline Lake. Come on,
Inaudio.
let's explain the Madeline. What's the history behind Madeline Lake here? You sure?
I didn't know that.
Pandarin mo.
Inaudio.
Let's go. Come on. Yan. Come on.
Inaudio.
Let's go there. There's a trail there. There's another trail there. No, it's just short. There, there's water in there.
Inaudio.
It's just a short
Inaudio.
Play. Go ahead.
Inaudio.
You're the leader. Da. Careful lang, may abot ka pa.
Inaudio.
There's abot there. There's holes. Taki. Hey, Taki.
In audio.
Wanna go?
In audio.
It's hot day.
In audio. In audio. In audio.
Hey, buddy. Hello, buddy.
In audio.
You say hi to the video. Say
In
hi.
audio.
Hi, mama. Where you going, buddy? Okay, go slide. I'll wait for you. Oh, napudot ata na eh. Napudot ata.
In audio.
Come on. Let's go. It's not. Oh, it's hot.
In audio.
Lock mo nga. Please, relax music.
In
Careful,
audio.
buddy. Yeah. What do you think, Miguel? You like it here?
In audio.
Left, right, ata.
In audio.
Hey, buddy. What's up?
In audio.
Good. Miguel. Woo. Yay! Yay! Oh, ayun naman yung tingin.
In audio.
Fast. Ah! Ah! Whee!
In audio.
Yan, takot. Oh, they gotta go. Tim, what do you have there,
In
buddy?
audio.
Timbits? There's no more lemonade?
In audio. In audio.
Lipat tayo ng iwalay. Guys. Magitaris punta.
In audio. In audio. In audio.
guys ready to fly a drone? Time mo na kayo.
In audio.
Yeah, hit.
In audio.
Pwede din daw.
Not me. Thank you.
Okay, kumain na.
Hello! Say hi everyone!
In audio.
Are you guys eating? Quick and easy food? What is that? Oh my god! It's a white food.
White. Yeah.
In
Brown.
audio.
Look,
Wow, what's this?
what is that? Kit Kat. Baka naman, Kit Kat. How about you, buddy? Yeah.
Na-open ko.
What are you eating? Same?
Iya, nagdugit ta imam.
In
Mana?
audio.
Say hi, buddy. How are you? Are you having fun? You having fun? Nagsarwa ka, Jit Dayon? First time mo? Uy! Mama, nagsarwa ka, Met? Jit Dayon? Hindi yan nagsarwa. Hindi yan saan? Sa may? Diba? Oh, look at the ducks! Ducks!
It's a V. It's a V.
Ah.
Listen.
Oh no! You want me to fly with them? With the drone? Yeah. They will be break. They will break. They don't know where to go.
Following the leader. Whoever's the leader.
Oh no, they break. They lost. Oh no. They break. Oh no.
Saan sila pupunta?
I don't know. They're not migrating. They're just lost. Iyon oh. Iyon oh. Vlog lang tayo guys. Oh, ano? Vlog lang tayo. Eh, ito. Walang pasok sa Sabado. Kaya, let's have some summertime. Diba? Wala tayong pasok?
Wala ang pasok.
May pasok. Maganda yan. Para naman makalabas.
Sabado,
May. Para makalusot sa TV. No? Miguel, lusot sa TV na. Walang TV muna. Outdoor na. Outdoor.
Miguel, Gian, oh.
In audio.
KitKat lang. KitKat lang o lakas? Yan.
Lang tayo ng KitKat. KitKat lang
KitKat lang o lakas, Miguel? Yan. Solat.
Wala pa na tayong table. Asan na sila?
In audio.
Sino?
Yung mga dog.
Doon. Nawala na sila. Doon. Layo na. Mamaya, palipad tayo doon para makita nila ang Yellowknife. Nature. Hindi naman Yellowknife. Nasa Graham Trail na tayo kaya nature. Halos puno lahat na makikita nyo mamaya. Gonna fly above. Right, Jen? We'll fly above later. Yeah, okay. Alright. We'll see you later
Ano, nagadulam.
from the sky.
Try to get her.
Ang Madeline Lake Territorial Park sa Northwest Territories ay naproprotektahan ng isang malinis na subarctic na lawa at sa nakapaligid na kagubatang boreal na nasa humigit kumulang 180 kilometro sa hilagang kanluran ng Yellowknife. Saklaw ng parke ang karaniwang tanawin ng hilagang Canadian Shield na may mabatong umbok, malalawak na kagubatan at latian at malinaw na tubig ng Madeline Lake. Ang liblib na protektadong lugar na ito ay napapanatili ng likas na kagandahan ng ilang nakakasilbing tirahan ng mga hayop at naninira na kagubatang boreal, habang nabibigay ng mga pagkakataon para sa mga gawaing panlibangan sa malalayong lugar, pangingisda dahil sa pagiging hiwalay nito sa mataong lugar. Napakaliit ang epekto ng tao sa parke, kaya napapanatili ang balanseng ekologikal at likas katangian ng kagubatan, lalo na nagiging bihira sa mas madaling mararating na rehiyon. Pagkakataon ko na rin i-share sa inyo kung saan ako nakatira dito sa Canada. Ang Yellowknife ay ang kabisera at pinakamalaking lungsod ng Northwest Territories, Canada, na matatagpuan sa hilagang baybayin ng Great Slave Lake. Itinatag ito noong 1934 matapos matuklasan ang ginto sa lugar at naging kabisera ng rehiyon noong 1967. Mula sa pagiging bayang pangmina, naging sentro na ito ng pamahalaan at ngayon ay mahalaga rin ang pagmimina ng diamante, turismo, transportasyon at komunikasyon sa ekonomiya nito. May populasyong humigit kumulang 20,340 katao ayon sa census ng 2021.
In audio. In audio. In audio.
Okay, who wants to go now?
Are you ready?
Who is buckle up?
Who's ready?
Miguel, Gian.
In audio.
Naman, naka-buckle up na ba sila?
You buckle up your bottom bed. Where's our music though? Wait, our music.
Nagmatan, pa-record ni.
So guys, palis na kami. Palis na kami. Going back to the big city. Going back to the city, boys.
Going back to Yellowknife.
Yes, sir. Set ko lang yung phone.
Let's go
Wait
now.
back, buddies.
Ang tagal po kasi ng driver namin.
Ang buhay.
Let's go! Wait, money life. Ano mo kaya yan? Dream mo yung may
Bye, buddy. I'll see you there.
enjoy ko yun. Money life.
Bye, man.
Oh, yeah, there was. Oh,
Okay, take
yeah.
this time.
That's all right.
Bye, bye, Manila. See you later. Sabi niya, hindi naman nakarito.
Ano ni Hanggas? Take a day!
Saan na yun? Let's go?
Yeah.
Hawakan mo dito. Let's go! Alright, let's go.
Babal. Yes.
Cameraman ka, kasi pag pinanunggan mo yan, sumusunod na ba? Pag clinic mo ba, sunod mo ba yan?
Babay nyam nyam.
Bye, yum, yum.
Babay nyam nyam. Piman.
Later, yum, yum.
Kumain ka. Meron pang...
In audio. In audio. In audio. In audio.
sa'yo yung mag-move. Doktor yon pala. Yung lalaki.
Yay!
Anesthesiology. Pasyente namin. Oh, wow. Gian, oh.
Audio.
Red part.
Yay! Yay!
Ay, uwi na tayo din.
Oh.
Paano, Miguel? Paano? How? Ay, madilim.
Patay mo na.
Miguel! Look at daddy. Hi! Kakuha ka po. Diyan, be careful ha. Dito ka.
In audio.
What you doing?
In audio.
What's that? Yeah, the music one? Doing music? Doon na nag-isla. Okay, play. Can you play music for me?
In
Yeah.
audio. In audio. In audio. In audio. In audio. In audio.
Okay, i-pause mo na. Hanggang. Okay, transition. 1, 2, 3, jump. Alright, good job. That's it. Oops, teka lang. Hindi pa tapos ang vlog dyan. Balik tayo sa playground. 3, 1, 2, 3, jump! Kisabayo.
1, 2, 3, jump!
Okay. Lakas naman na mag-push na lang. Lakas naman na. Oh, lakas naman ha. Too fast. Too fast.
In audio.
Maulawak boy. So what do you think? Red Park?
Good.
Good. You
10
having fun?
100 out of 10.
What? That's over. It's over 90 points.
In audio. In audio. In audio. In audio. In audio.
Thank you for watching.